Sorry. Oh my god, it's a
I guess we wanted a spacious, modern industrial concept. As this is a 3-room flat, one of the main concerns we have is having insufficient storage and also having everything look very cluttered.
We felt that we were able to engage and have a good rapport with Eric from the interior lab, and as such, we feel that it is important for us to be able to communicate well, and as well as for him to be able to understand our considerations and concerns. For the design-wise, it definitely met our expectations as a couple for ourselves. We don't have any concept in mind actually, so we actually left it all to Eric himself to make the design, and then he gave us this conceptualization. So we actually just reviewed them and just gave him suggestions on how to improve on it. For service-wise, I personally feel that Eric was able to answer to our queries, be it whatever time it is. As for myself, I'm in the army and he's also working, so we usually ask questions or actually remedy the stuff after working hours, but he was able to answer our questions. My favorite part of the house is definitely the kitchen as well as the master bedroom, because we spend most of our time in the kitchen preparing food and all that, so every weekend we'll actually cook our own home-cooked meals. Then our main concern at first was actually the kitchen being too small, and so Eric suggested for us to cut down the service yard and therefore making the preparation area to be bigger. And as for the master bedroom wise, the wardrobe was actually the main concern for us as well, as other firms actually told us that we won't be able to fit a big wardrobe in the master bedroom and was told to actually put the wardrobe over in the common room.
We wanted concepts such as a platform bed, hidden storages.
However, Eric was able to rectify this, and we were happy with the outcome of the entire design for the master bedroom as well. So we actually invited our friends over to our house for housewarming and all that, and they are actually impressed with the design and will definitely ask us for recommendations on which interior designer we actually engaged.